In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place images in a blog post in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your site settings, how to access your blog, and how to remove and add an image to a post with confidence. Start on your Squarespace dashboard. From the main navigation, click Website. This opens the area where you manage your site content and design. Think of it as the control room for everything visitors actually see on your site. Next, click Pages. This is where your site's structure lives: your home page, any subpages, and your blog. If you have multiple sections, you might see folders or collections here. That's normal. Find and click your blog. It might be labeled Blog, News, or whatever name you gave that blog collection. Clicking it opens a list of your posts so you can manage each one's content and settings in one place. Now select the post content you want to work on. Then click the three dots, the More Options menu, next to it. That little menu is your shortcut to post-specific actions without opening a full editor. It's especially handy when you're managing images quickly across several posts. Choose Remove Image. This clears the current image from the post. Don't worry, this removes the image from the post itself, not from your site's overall library, so you're not permanently deleting the file. Removing first helps ensure you're starting fresh if the old image was the wrong size, off-brand, or just out of date. Then click Add Image. This is where you attach the new visual for the post. You can pick an existing image from your library or upload a new one from your computer. Aim for a clear, high-quality file that fits your brand. Typically, a JPG or PNG works well. Keep file sizes reasonable so your pages load quickly, and choose a crop or aspect ratio that looks good in your blog layout. If your theme displays featured images prominently, preview how the image appears in lists and on the post page to make sure nothing important is cut off. That's it. You clicked Website, went into Pages, opened your blog, used the three dots to access options, removed the old image, and then added the new one. With this flow, you can refresh visuals across your posts in just a few clicks. If you're updating multiple posts, repeat the same process for each one to keep your blog looking consistent and polished. Thanks for watching, and enjoy refining your Squarespace blog images.